paddle routines rank among the most visually impactful pieces in close-up magic. I keep a paddle in my bag daily and use it in every performance. I've been thinking for years how to expand the variation possibilities of paddle magic, and how to design a striking shape easy for audiences to recognize at a glance. We revised repeatedly, and finally found an amazing solution.
Hello everyone, I am Ethan Yip, the founder of Wizard. Today I am very proud to introduce to you a weapon that can truly captivate and amaze your audience with its stunning visual effects at close range. The Wizard Sword.
Sword-shaped design gets rid of the classic paddle silhouette. Its eye-catching look captivates the audience. No longer limited to two-face changes, multi-face transformations bring endless possibilities. You can conjure up items to astonish the audience and smoothly carry on to the next routine. Original paddle handling enriches routine possibilities and transformation methods. Freely customize your magic routines. Its multi-face design and professional handling offer endless creative potential.
In the tutorial, I will teach you everything from the basic paddle moves at the very beginning to some original paddle handling techniques I've created, as well as paddle changes. I'll also teach you 3 main practical routines and provide you with some bonus tips to guide you in creating your own routines, so you can ultimately produce effects that lead into the next sequence. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this weapon now and amaze your audience up close. I hope you enjoy it. That's Wizard's Sword.